Why your phone isn't enough. Top 5 Best Budget Vlogging Cameras 2026. It's 2026, and the smartphone versus camera debate for creators is over. If you want that cinematic depth and professional audio that grabs attention on the feed, you need a dedicated tool. But you don't need a $3,000 setup. I've tested the best gear currently on the market to find the top 5 best budget vlogging cameras of 2026 that deliver pro results for a fraction of the cost. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Best for extreme sports and durability. The world's most rugged action camera built for extreme environments. With industry-leading digital stabilization and a durable, waterproof design, it's the top choice for travel vloggers and adventure seekers on the move. Number 4. Sony ZV-1F. Best for wide-angle vlogging and simplicity. The most affordable entry point for vloggers transitioning from a smartphone. Its ultra-wide fixed lens ensures you and your surroundings stay in the frame, while simplified controls make high-quality vlogging accessible to everyone. Number 3. Canon EOS R50. Best for hybrid creators, photo plus video. The best hybrid choice for creators who need high-quality photos and videos. It features an incredibly user-friendly interface and a compact design, making it ideal for beginners who want to create social media content and sharp thumbnails. Number 2. Sony ZV-E10 II. Best for interchangeable lenses and professional bokeh. A versatile mirrorless camera designed for YouTubers who want the pro look. With its interchangeable lens system and lightning-fast AI autofocus, it delivers stunning cinematic bokeh and high-resolution video for growing channels. And finally, number 1 is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Best for solo vlogging and mechanical stabilization. The ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse, featuring a large 1-inch sensor and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. It's the perfect tool for solo creators who need professional-grade stabilization and cinematic low-light performance in a compact form. If you're always on the move, the DJI is your best friend. If you want to change lenses, go for the Sony. Check the links below for the best current 2026 prices. Which camera are you using to start your journey? Let me know in the comments and subscribe.